Hey everyone, I'm Jose. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make new videos every week. Today, I'm going to talk about the purpose of making a video. We make videos that show your personality and let your audience see the real you. Or people that be able to see the real you when they see your videos. Or people to be able to see the real you. Do you have an age range for your audience, or are you doing a channel for all ages, or maybe educational purposes, or something else along those lines? Why are your videos important to you? The word important is there. It also reminds me of the word purpose, like the title of this video, which is very important to see the context on what your video can be and how it will be out there for others to see. How you gonna make your videos work when it comes to the way you present yourself or the way you edit your videos, and we'll be doing so forth after that. And there are different ways to present yourself. You can be doing like speaking like calmly, like how I'm doing now, or to be like really energetic and really hype, or you can be some creators that are angry and stuff like that, but I don't like when you do that. That's not a great way to present yourself. As you should present yourself with positivity when you make content for people you don't really know on the internet. You know, people will see, we're able to see how you really are. You're literally showing people who and how you really are. What are your goals for your channel, or for the videos you're making? Like, what's the end game? And what are you doing that? What are you really doing that for? One of my goals is to be respected, because I want to do more for myself, and I want to show people that not only others but me, that I matter, and that's something maybe you could relate to. Let me know in the comments what you think. There's a difference between goals and plans. What are your plans for your channel? Is there a way you to change things up, rebrand, or do something different for your channel or for yourself? And let me know in the comments what are your plans and goals for your channel. If you have one, share this with a friend. If you know someone who makes videos and stuff like that, as a way to express yourself. And do you see your channel as a guide to help you make your life better for the content you present to others? And most importantly, like, how you feel about others. Make sure when you do videos, you don't be too overwhelmed with pressure and stuff. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you can do that for a long time. You know, find ways to relax. You don't feel too pressured to make these type of videos you're making. Like, you're your own, when you make your own videos, you're your own boss, so think about what you can do for yourself. Think about when you're your own boss when you make videos, so just think about that. And you create content, you have all time, you trying to make great video. Don't sell out your channel. You know, this is about, when it comes to making YouTube videos, it's about you and not just talking about things that don't really make sense for your channel or anything like that. Just talk about things that you want to talk about, and focus on the positivity, because you can. One last thing is, passion doesn't matter. it will work with you. Passion makes what you're doing have a great feeling inside you and makes you want and need to do more for yourself, and it'll make everything and worth it. Passion makes what you're doing have a great feeling inside you and makes you want and need to do more for yourself, and it'll make everything and worth it. So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a video that YouTube recommends. If you enjoyed it, here's a video about what to do. If you want after your videos, I highly recommend watch that video. It will really help you out if you on YouTube, and here's subscribe right here. Thank you.